What's up YouTube? It's amtrobia.
Jason American 97. We're here with my version 2 of the homemade air-powered sniper rifle. It has 3-shot capacity. It shoots ball bearings and nail darts just like the other one did. This one's about 3 times more powerful. You can pump it up to around 130 psi. And we've taken a few shots of the board back here to show you. This is a nail dart. It landed sideways into it and you can see how far it went in there. We got a few shots of the ball bearings. One is up here. That was at the lower pressure. And then the higher pressure one right here is splintered the whole board. Got a picture of it right here. And then the other nail dart went straight in so fast that it ended up bending it before we could pull it out.
Here we go.